Hey, oh wow. Hey, it's 6 in the morning and shit. I'm up, just up, I guess. I used to skip class with his ass every day, that's my nigga. Remembering them days we hit a lick on niggas. And she telling me she want it, hey. I won't show you love, I won't show you love this time. If you ask me how I'm feeling, I'ma tell you just fine. Bitch, you know my wrist fine, yeah, you know my wrist fine. Yeah, bitch, you know my wrist is fine. It cost a pretty penny, but I didn't have to spend more. She asked me all the time, am I coming on time? But I don't have time again. I guess you can call me a timeless friend. Or I just don't have time for her. Psych, she got all the time in the world. I'm just sipping juice, girl. She listens to Juice WRLD. I came from the old world, now I'm in a new world. I still love my old girl, I don't want a new girl. I don't want a new girl. I might go to LA, hot for my new girl. My old girl don't want me back, so I need a new girl. One day will I have a wife? I never have none nice. Yeah, I never have none nice. I honestly don't even know what that is. I like skateboarding by myself all alone in this bitch. I used to have my dog named Rex with me, bitch. This bad bitch wanna have sex with me, shit. But I feel like I'm too good for this bad little bitch. I might go get some tulips for this sad little bitch. I might go get a gun for her dad, he a bitch. I'll take off on your daughter, do the dash in the whip. I used to skip class with his ass, that's my nigga. I used to skip class with his ass, that's my name. Hey bitch, freeze up.